What's going on, guys? We're just here chilling in the garage. I got Cole here, camera shy tie. So we're gonna do the exhaust today. You hear it running, just stock, I guess. What's that? Stock sucks. Hand this over to Cole and we'll start wrenching.
All right, take the 5 bolts off. Let's go. Amazon says we can have it installed in 5 minutes.
That's a good sign right there.
The Cannon. We got the American Don't Burn the Forest Down spark arrestor in there. He won't let me take out. We're in Canada here. Burn this shit down.
Too much of it. Burn it down.
Like I told you, man, I have a giant hole where my exhaust used to be there.
Well, I think we're going to make a giant hole here.
Yeah, but mine comes out straight where yours still kind of fills the same. Yours goes in the same hole. Like they changed the whole like trigonography of Trigonography. She ain't angled the same way she used to be no more.
Holy smokes. Damn it. The sweater's got to come off.
I think he's got to go wake his kid up here in a bit here if I can get some girl hands in there.
I think we might just take the muffler off like you were saying earlier.
I thought that's what we were doing, was taking the muffler off.
Well, then I can get these bolts. Like, these bolts are impossible. Get up here and show, like,
oh,
you're talking about,
yeah,
way back in here.
I told you, leave that stupid plate there if I can take the muffler off.
Well, we got to get the plate off, too, so I was just trying to do it all in one. Go.
Did you get it?
No.
What do you mean, no? You want me to turn this off? You got like
you might as well.
You got like
once I get the muffler off, I'll come back. I think it was a mistake trying to do this myself. So I'm taking the bolts out of the muffler here. You can't get a ratchet in under there. And look, the nut's in a bad spot. And oh my God, problems. So it was a pain in the ass getting the muffler out of this thing. Check out this. It took 2 of us.
okay. This thing is fucking actually pretty heavy.
Yeah.
Let's get the scale.
Yeah, that's gotta be at least fucking.
It's gotta be.
Shit, man. At least, I'm gonna guess like 32, 34.
Oh, dude. We're like, oh, it's gotta be half.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go half.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, dude.
Well, that's probably got so much mud and sand.
This one. I can't even hardly get this one on the ground.
This one's gotta be at least 10 fucking 12 pounds heavier, man.
Oh, yeah?
Easy. Shout out to Yoshi.
I know Yoshi won't sponsor any videos, but help a brother out. That is helping. Alright, now time to get that plate out of the way here. So Cole just jinxed us. Just jinxed us. He's like, no, those lag bolts are gonna be a pain in the ass to go through. So look at this. Alright. So I figured you just take off those bolts and this plate comes off and Bob's your uncle, but supposedly, we gotta take these nuts down here off.
Oh, this is Groundhog Day, buddy.
Yeah. The nuts right there off. So we can get the rest of this bracket off, because you gotta separate the brackets. No wonder there's not a video online showing this stuff. This is freaking brutal. So this is the bracket that came off, the old muffler sat on, after we took out those lag bolts. Right, so when you get the kit, remember those bigger washers? So you get the bigger washers, the washer and the nut. You go in right here. There's a bolt. Put both washers on, the nut. And I just gotta tighten it up with the wrench. And we'll clean that up, clean the exhaust up, and should be an exhaust in that hole next time. Oh, wait a second, we gotta fire it up because Cole wants to hear it all.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Straight pipe.
Straight pipe.
It reminds me of your grump.
That thing sounded loud for a V-twin, man.
That's dirty.
We got Release the holy music. Oh, wait a second. Everybody got all excited and made fucking,
yeah, look at this.
made this thing all filthy. Look how filthy this thing is. Were you guys fucking jerking off around it?
Oh, they gave you the wrong one.
You gonna go in this way?
I don't know.
Yeah, you gotta lift it up in the corner there just to go over the fan. Yeah, you're almost there.
Why, did you put any of it together first?
Oh yeah, I had to put it all together.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it gonna turn? Yeah!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, gotta go back. Hitting on the shifter a bit. She
I don't want to push it in there.
Nah, it's gotta fit. Just gotta move a little bit over that shifter, dude. Will that move forward if we put it in low?
Yeah, put it in here.
I was just gonna say, dude. That helped us? Yeah!
The fucking shotgun right here.
Is it tight as fuck?
I don't know if it's gonna go in or not. I wonder if we can go from this side.
No way.
Nope. Oh, you go. There you go. It's fucking. Oh, you know what it was? Because that shifter was in the way the first time.
Oh, we got her, buddy.
There you go.
We lost the cap, though, the circle thing.
No, I took it off.
Oh, okay.
So we didn't lose it.
Well, we're winning. This way?
Yeah, there's a bolt sticking out. Yeah.
Bottom downwards. Okay, man, we're in business, bud.
Now we just gotta try to hit that pipe on.
We're in.
Pipe's in and everything.
Oh yeah.
All the way.
Oh yeah.
Does it go in any more than that?
I don't know. We just gotta put these leg bolts in first, and that's all as far as it can only go.
Well, it's gotta go more this way.
Well, it can only go to wherever these bolts go.
Yeah, I know, but it's not straight in the hole. That's
That's
what I was saying. Good job, Joe, man. All right, she's in there. What do you think?
Good. Looks nice.
Oh yeah, looks nice. I just got a zip tie. There's stuff for the O2 sensor down there. I have to zip tie, but looks sweet. Let Coda hold the camera here. I'll fire it up.
It literally looks like you just light a lighter and just
This is like a turbine, like a fucking something you see out of a muscle car.
like a diesel or something.
Yeah,
Man.
that's weird. It's like a
Man, I'm
turbine.
gonna have to buy a bumper now so nobody takes out my muffler.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's not my fault.
It's not my fault. So yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. My opinion. Getting the plate off and everything is kind of a pain in the ass, but once you get the muffler in and you shift it all the way into low, so you get the shifter out of the way, it went together pretty easy. Other than that, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, because it's free, man. It doesn't cost you nothing. But take care, guys.